Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Threads on your Mac using a simple trick. Since there's no official Mac OS app, we'll create a standalone web app that works just like the real thing. Let's jump right in. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock, or by using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to threads.net, then head up to the top menu bar, click File, and select Add to Dock. A small window will appear. You can rename the shortcut if you want, but I'll keep it as Threads. Click Add, and just like that, the Threads icon will appear in your dock. Now here's the best part. When you launch Threads from the dock, it opens in its own clean app-like window. It runs independently from Safari, so even if you close your browser, the Threads app stays open. Let me show you. I'll quit Safari now, and as you can see, Threads is still running perfectly. If you're on an older version of macOS and don't see the Add to Dock option, no worries. I've dropped a link in the description with an alternative method you can use. And that's it. You now have Threads installed on your Mac as a standalone app. If this tutorial helped, make sure to leave a like. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.